Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, a gaming beast that promises to crush lag and deliver insane performance with its powerful Fengchi gaming core. We're unboxing it, testing its battery life, checking out the stunning display, and putting its gaming chops to the ultimate test. Curious if this is the ultimate gaming phone? Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss a single frame. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's unbox the OnePlus Ace Ultra Edition together. It comes sealed with branded packaging featuring the slogan. Inside, you'll find the phone alongside accessories like a 100-watt USB-A charger supporting private fast-charging protocols, 11 volts, 9.1 AX. This private protocol works with common standards like PD, durable 12A cable, 99 centimeters long, to handle the high current. Now, let's peel off the protective screen film and take a closer look. Let's quickly explore the design of the newly launched OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra. We have the burning titanium variant in hand, featuring a unique smooth finish that departs from traditional raster textures. OnePlus has fine-tuned the device for gaming comfort, shrinking the camera module and adopting a round R-angle bezel that feels natural during play. Despite its large display, the phone maintains a balanced feel at 206 grams, 8.1 millimeters thickness, and 77.04 millimeters width. It's a performance powerhouse wrapped in a sleek, gamer-friendly body. The OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra packs a gaming trifecta: Dimensity 9400 Plus, Fengchi touch chip, and the G1 gaming Wi-Fi chip, designed to tackle frame drops and connection issues head-on. In our standard test setup, 25 degrees C room temp, 200 nits brightness, Wi-Fi performance mode on, we ran Genshin Impact using Sayu's Resonance lineup in Sumeru City at 880p resolution. The result? A rock-solid 60.1 FPS average. Smooth gameplay is expected, but look closer and this phone delivers more than just the basics. For the first time, OnePlus has integrated the Fengchi game engine directly into the Dimensity platform, enabling smarter performance scheduling and power control from the core, resulting in smoother gameplay with lower power consumption. But when a game like Genshin Impact already runs at full 60 FPS, how do you measure real improvement? That's where 1% low frames come in, a key indicator of consistent smoothness. Even if a game averages 60 FPS, occasional frame delays over 16.7 milliseconds can cause stutter. In a 30-minute test, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 model averaged 59.7 FPS, but its 1% low dipped to 40.4 FPS, revealing microlags. The OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, by contrast, maintains a much tighter frame consistency, proving that it's not just fast, it's fluid where it matters most. In intense moments like teamfights or close-range battles, smoothness matters most. If the 1% low frame rate drops too much, the experience suffers. During the same test scenario, the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra achieved a 1% low frame rate of 56.3 FPS, an impressive result. Only 51 frames out of over 100,000 took longer than 17.3 milliseconds to render, translating to just 0.045% of total frames, less than a second of potential stutter. Unless you're a pro-level player, you likely won't notice any lag at all. The OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra handles Genshin Impact with ease, averaging just 4.99 watts power consumption with surface temperatures of 40.4 degrees Celsius back and 41 degrees Celsius screen, and only 10% battery drain over 30 minutes. In Super Frame mode, it reached an impressive 120.4 FPS average with a 1% low of 104.4 FPS, still incredibly smooth. Power usage stayed efficient at 5.3 watts with just 11% battery drain and a cool 40 degrees Celsius body. Simply put, the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra dominates Genshin Impact. In honor of Kings, it maintained 115.6 FPS with near-perfect 1% lows, used only 2.9 watts on average, drained 6% battery in 30 minutes, and stayed cool at 36.9 degrees Celsius, barely breaking a sweat. For honor of Kings fans, the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra delivers all-day performance, but the real surprise comes in the ultra-demanding Honkai Star Rail at 981p resolution. Most phones struggle here, hitting nearly 9-watt power consumption and thermal throttling. Not OnePlus. It maintained an impressive 59.6 FPS average, pushing performance to the limit, even as the device reached 4880 degrees Celsius. At this level of load and resolution, OnePlus proves it's built for elite gaming. The glacial cooling system on the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra keeps temperatures in check, while core-level integration of the Fengchi engine into the Dimensity platform ensures highly efficient power management. In normal mode, it consumes just 8 watt, significantly lower than most rivals. Beyond raw performance, it also delivers ultra-responsive gameplay with up to 3000 Hz instantaneous touch sampling and reduced network latency. For everyday gamers, it simply feels effortless, precise, fluid, and ready for action. Even under heavy network load, nearly 100 connected devices and multiple walls, OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra maintained a rock-solid connection with zero lag. Thanks to the G1 gaming Wi-Fi chip, network performance stayed flawless. In short, OnePlus has pushed mobile gaming optimization to the next level, and then some. Beyond gaming, the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra remains impressively well-rounded. It features a 6.83-inch, 144Hz, 1.5K eye-care display with over 1400 nits peak brightness and 100% P3 color gamut coverage. For eye comfort, it includes DC-like dimming and 3D 840Hz ultra-high-frequency PWM dimming, making it easy on the eyes, even during extended use. The OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra packs a massive 6700 mAh battery. In a 3-hour endurance test across various apps, it used just 33%, with most non-gaming apps drawing only single-digit power. It also supports bypass charging, ensuring cooler, smoother gameplay even while plugged in. Reliable battery life, smart power use. The OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra features a 1.56-inch IMX906 main sensor, supporting Portrait Mode 4.0 and live photos. Enhanced AI capabilities reduce reflections and improve image quality, easily covering all daily photography needs. The OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra base model starts at 2,499 yuan in China, roughly 257 pounds in the UK and $346 in the US. In summary, OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra is a true esports powerhouse. With the Fengchi gaming core integrated into the Dimensity platform, it pushes gaming performance to new heights, virtually eliminating lag. It also excels in power efficiency during intense sessions, thanks to its large battery and bypass charging support, delivering outstanding endurance for long play. If you want the ultimate gaming phone, the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra is a top contender. Thanks for watching, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and follow. I'm Maiky, see you in the next video.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness.